Assalamu alaikum. My name is Varda Afzal. Roll number is 9890. Today I am here to explain corrosion and its preventive measures. So first of all, what is corrosion? Corrosion is the term usually applied to the deterioration of metals by an electrochemical process, or slow and continuous eating away of metals by the action of environment is called corrosion. Corrosion may be defined as the gradual destruction of materials which are usually metals due to their contact with the surrounding environment. It is basically the chemical or electrochemical destruction of metals with environment. Corrosion degrades the metals, thereby reducing strength and other physical and chemical properties of matter. It is a typical reverse for metallic alloys. When a refined metal is naturally converted to a more suitable form such as its oxide, hydroxide, sulfide states, this leads to deterioration of the material. Some of the examples of corrosion we see around us are iron rust, silver tarnish, and the green patina formed on copper and brass. Corrosion causes enormous damage to buildings, bridges, ships, and cars. Corrosion occurs as a result of oxidation of parental metals such as iron rust. The integrity of the various plants' equipment is then gradually compromised. Corrosion can be responsible for causing leaks. Leakage in pressurized system may be very dangerous for the plant workers. The best example of corrosion is iron rust. The result of corrosion of metallic iron is oxidized to Fe2 positive at an anodic site on the surface of the iron, which is often an impurity or a lattice defect. Oxygen is reduced to water at a different site on the surface of iron, which act as a cathode. Electrons are transferred from the anode to cathode through the electrically conductive metal. Water is solvent for the Fe2 positive that is produced initially and act as a salt bridge. Rust Fe2O3 into H2O is formed by the subsequent oxidation of Fe2 positive by atmospheric oxygen in the corrosion process. Iron metal acts as the anode in a galvanic cell and is oxidized to Fe2 positive. Oxygen is reduced to water at the cathode. The relevant equations are as follows: O2 plus 4H2 plus 4E negative एरो 2H2O. एनोड के ऊपर क्या होगा? एनोड के ऊपर होगा Fe एरो Fe2 पॉजिटिव प्लस 2E नेगेटिव, और जो ओवरऑल रिडॉक्स रिएक्शन होगा वो होगा 2Fe प्लस O2 प्लस 4H पॉजिटिव एरो 2Fe2 पॉजिटिव प्लस 2H2O. Powered by the reaction of atmospheric carbon dioxide with water to form H2CO3. The Fe2 positive forms ions at anode and further oxidized by oxygen. This hydrated form of iron 3 oxide is known as rust. इसे हम rust कहते हैं. जो iron 3 oxide होता है इसे हम rust कहते हैं. The amount of water associated with the rust with the iron oxide varies, so it is represented with the formula of Fe2O3 into H2O. आगे आ जाते हैं इसकी प्रिवेंशन ऑफ क्रोयन. क्रोयन प्रिवेंशन के कितने मेथड्स हैं? क्रोयन प्रिवेंशन के 5 मेथड्स हैं. पेंटिंग और कोटिंग, अलॉइंग, metallic coating, removal of stains, cathodic protection. So first of all is painting and coating या barrier coating. Iron is painted or given a suitable coating to exclude the atmosphere. Different types of coating are the oxide coating, phosphate coating, and concrete coating. Most common paints used for painting iron contain red lead. बैरियर कोटिंग में हमारे पास क्या आ जाता है? वन ऑफ द ईजिएस्ट एंड चीपेस्ट वे टू प्रिवेंट क्रोयन इज़ टू यूज़ बैरियर कोटिंग लाइक पेंट्स, प्लास्टिक और पाउडर इंक्लूडिंग एपॉक्सी, नायलॉन एंड यूरिथ्रेन adhere to the metal surface to create a thin film. Plastic and waxes are often sprayed into the metal surfaces. This process has been around for more than 250 years and has been used for corrosion protection of things like artistic sculptures and playground equipments. Unfortunately, galvanization cannot be done on site, meaning companies must pull equipment may simply to be large for process, forcing companies to abandon the idea altogether. In addition, zinc can chip or peel. and high exposure to environmental elements can speed up the process of zinc wear, leading to increasing maintenance. Lastly, the zinc fumes that release from the galvanizing process are highly toxic. सेकेंड हमारे पास आ जाता है अलॉइंग ऑफ आयरन विद मेटल लाइक निकल, क्रोमियम, बैरियम एक्सेट्रा मेक इज रेजिस्टेंस टू क्रोमियम। इसमें हमारे पास क्या होता है, अलॉयड स्टील इज़ वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इफेक्टिव क्रोजन प्रिवेंशन मेथड्स अराउंड, कंबाइनिंग द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ वेरियस मेटल टू प्रोवाइड एडिड स्ट्रेंथ एंड रेजिस्टेंस टू द resulting product. Corrosion resistant nickel, for example, combined with oxidation resistant chromium results in an alloy that can be used in oxidized and reduced chemical environments. Different alloys provide resistance to different conditions, giving companies greater flexibility. Deposit its effectiveness. Alloyed steel is very expensive. थर्ड वन हमारे पास आ जाता है मेटालिक कोटिंग। आयरन इज़ जनरली कोटेड विद जिंक टू प्रिवेंट इट फ्रॉम रस्टिंग। आयरन जो इस पर जिंक के साथ उसको कोट किया जाता है जो कि रस्टिंग से उसे बचाता है। दिस में भी डन बाय स्प्रेइंग, गैल्वेनाइजिंग और इलेक्ट्रोप्लेटिंग। इन गैल्वेनाइजिंग में क्या होता है, द क्रोजन प्रिवेंटिव मेथड इन्वॉल्व्स डिपिंग स्टील इनटू मोल्टन जिंक। Clean iron sheets are dipped in a bath of zinc chlorides and heated. The sheets are then removed from the bath, rolled in zinc dust and cooled. Nickel and chromium are generally used for electroplating or iron. This gives irons a bright luster and the articles look beautiful. Tin cans are tin plated to prevent rusting. The iron in the steel react with zinc to create a tightly bounded alloy coating which serve as protection. This process has been around for more than 250 years and has been used for corrosion protection of things like artistic sculptures and playground equipment. Unfortunately, galvanization cannot be done on site, meaning companies must pull equipment may supply be too large for processes, forcing companies to abandon the idea altogether. In addition, zinc can chip or pill and high exposure to environmental equipment can speed up the process of zinc wear, leading to increasing maintenance. Lastly, the zinc fumes that release from the galvanizing process are highly toxic. फोर्थ वन हमारे पास आ जाता है रिमूवल ऑफ स्ट्रेन्स। रिमूवल ऑफ स्ट्रेन्स में हमारे पास आ जाता है regions of mechanical strains in iron act as centers of corrosion by forming cathodic and anodic areas. Removal of these strains by heat treatment or polishing reduces corrosion. कैथोडिक प्रोटेक्शन हमारे पास आ जाता है। कैथोडिक प्रोटेक्शन में इन दिस प्रोसेस द मेटल दैट इज टू बी प्रोटेक्टेड फ्रॉम corrosion is made the cathode in an electrochemical cell. For example, iron nail can be protected from rusting by connecting the nail to a piece of zinc. Without such protection, an iron nail quickly rusts in water. Rusting of underground iron pipes and iron storage tanks can be prevented or greatly reduced by connecting them to metals such as zinc and magnesium, which oxidize more readily than iron. Cathodic protection protects by electrochemical means to prevent corrosion. The active sites on the metal surfaces are converted to passive sites by providing electron from another source, typically by galvanic cores attached on or near the surface. Metal used for anodes include aluminium, magnesium or zinc. While cathodic protection is highly effective, anodes get used up and need to be checked or replaced often, which can drive up cost of maintenance. They also release the weight of the attached structure and are not always effective in a high resistivity environment. कंक्लूजन हमारे पास किया जाती है, टू प्रिवेंट corrosion we use नॉन corrosive metals such as stainless steel or aluminum. Thanks.